Oh my god, I think that the fire truck is on their way. Oh my god. Hold on. Because I can hear the freaking siren of the fire truck, and they were just here. Maybe 20 minutes ago. Is that it? Is that it right there? Hold on. No, that's not it. Wee. Oh, okay. Crap. Hello. There they are. See, they arrived right here.
Really?
They're out there.
They just went next door. Wow, I know there's like 2 trips.
There's allá. Woo!
Pues vienen para que no les tapen el paso.
Somos peligrosas, tenemos que rescatar.
They're having fun.
Ding dong.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You know how to reset your alarm? Which? Here, by the back door? Okay. There's no
I was just accidentally pulled by
accidental pull.
Oh my god. That's really sad. And they came here in less than 5 minutes. Damn. Oh, damn. Holy. They're leaving already. They weren't even here for 30 seconds. Damn, there's a cop